Hey, good morning, guys. Praful here. Today is 12th of July, and the time is 9:23, and I'm already pretty much done with the trade. Before I could even start recording for you guys, the put side IV, there was a massive cool off in the put side IV, and because of which we got a pretty decent DK, almost 5 points of DK we got within a span of 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes के time में 4-5 points का DK मिल गया. So that's why I decided to take an exit now. I'll wait if the IVs again start spiking up. I'll find that time and I'll start entering the position. If you look at my orders, I exited at 18.9 and 18.05. So 37 पे मैंने exit किया है and even now the price is at 37. So 38 39 के आसपास अगर आ जाता है, if these prices come to 38 39 37 38 39, then most probably I'll reinitiate the position, but as of now we have got a good DK within a very quick span of time. क्या ये काफी अच्छा DK है? क्या आगे DK नहीं मिल सकता है? Of course मिल सकता है DK, but the reason why I took out my position is because pro rata basis करके नाम की एक चीज है, ठीक है. Usually we wait for 10 points of DK throughout the whole day, but अगर मुझे 5 points of DK within 5 minutes मिल जाता है तो pro rata basis पे we have got much more DK than what we could hope for. So that's why मैंने exit किया है. Doesn't mean that I won't re-enter. Of course I'll consider re-entering the position 2.1 and 2.9. Yeah, of course I'll consider re-entering the position, but the morning first kind of like quick in and out like scalping kind of trade जो था वो खत्म हो गया. And since Mondays are not known for a good amount of theta DK, I'll wait now or I'll take some positional trades. Coming to the Bank Nifty account, Bank Nifty में भी already 2k का profit चल रहा है, 2.5k का profit चल रहा है. 35-400 levels अगर breach हो जाता है ऊपर की तरफ, then most probably I might have to cut out my position in Bank Nifty. कहाँ पे बोला मैंने? 35-400. like I'll give market 100 points, 100 नहीं 120 points दूंगा मैं if at all we start breaching this resistance level. अगर आप देखोगे तो this is a virgin CPR, correct? If people who don't understand the concept of virgin CPR is that CPR which is not penetrated, virgin. So कल पूरा दिन मार्केट ने वर्जिन CPR के नीचे ट्रेड किया, so that makes this CPR, yesterday CPR as virgin CPR. So usually एक theory है कि वर्जिन CPR से most probably support या resistance मिल जाता है. So that is why we are waiting till this virgin CPR is breached and we have a confluence level. What is that confluence level? Today's pivot. ये जहाँ पे जो resistance दिख रही है ना, even this resistance and virgin CPR both are at the same level. So I'll wait till 35-420, 430 levels get clearly taken out and only then I'll look at closing my position. Alright guys, the market pretty much looks sideways, but since it is consolidating in a very small area, I had re-entered the position, but again I pulled out because I got some other works to do. So 17k in the Nifty account and around 3.7 in Bank Nifty account. So 20.7k for the day. 20.7k for the day. इसको मत देखो, ये 27k, इस 27k में 10k is from the covered call. Taking a break now. अभी दोपहर को आके काम खत्म करके आके then I'll see like if I have to take any positional trades because already काफी ज़्यादा DK मिल चुका है. Now I don't want to get stuck in some sort of an IV spike. अभी भी put side का premiums काफी ज़्यादा DK हो रहा है and 15.25 मैं कहाँ पे exit किया था? 15.5 पे 13.4. yeah, almost एक और रुपए DK मिल गया होता, but it's okay. I took a conscious decision of exiting it and yeah, I'll see you guys after some time. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, had a pretty erratic day today and a lot of my friends, lot of the people that I know lost plenty, not because of the market's movement but because of NSE's glitch. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? In this, the put options spiked by 40-50 points in a matter of a tick. सेकेंड नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, एक सेकेंड में 4 या 5 टिक होता है. एक टिक में यहाँ पे इस पोजीशन पे when this red candle was forming, so there was a huge 40 point jump in the put options. And if I go to the 1 minute chart, you can see that there is a 40 point freaking gap in the bank nifty spot chart, which is one of the most traded instrument in one of the biggest exchanges in the world, and we freaking see gaps here. Okay, this I feel that this was pretty organized. So ऐसे usually होता नहीं है. ठीक है, if you see हर एक मिनट में सेबी का एक बैंड रहता है एग्जीक्यूशनेबल रेंज बोल के. सो उस रेंज पे अगर आपका स्टॉप लॉस रहता है, ओनली देन इट विल गेट एग्जीक्यूटेड. और एल्स इवन दो यहाँ पे आपका पुट का स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर हो जाता है, दैट ट्रिगर पॉइंट विल बी हायर देन द रेंज फॉर दैट 1 मिनट. यूजुअली 1 मिनट के एंड पे वो रेंज फिर से रिकैलकुलेट होता है एट द एंड ऑफ 1 मिनट. इफ यू सी हियर, ये जो जंप हुआ एग्जैक्टली एट द एंड ऑफ द मिनट हुआ. कैन यू सी दिस कैंडल 1 मिनट में पूरा नीचे आया एंड द नेक्स्ट मिनट it got jumped. So a lot of people's stop losses wouldn't have been hit even though they had a system stop loss in place. I don't know, like, what, as regulators, I don't know what these people are doing about all this. No matter how advanced we retailers get in terms of technology, in terms of knowledge, in terms of risk management, everything, these big players have one or the other way to screw all the retailers over. And I think that's mainly because we fucking retailers don't have unity among ourselves. कोई बंदा यूट्यूब पे आके किसी और को मतलब बोलता है तू प्रॉफिट नहीं कर रहा है, कोई आके बोलता है मैं कर रहा हूं, देखो मेरा आईटी टैक्स का रिपोर्ट. भाई वो सब करने से अच्छा फॉर्म अ लीगल बॉडी थ्रू विच ऑल these kinds of inaccuracies, these kinds of discrepancies, these kinds of fucking fraud, I'll call it. So all these things get reported. ठीक है, like let's have a body of our own. रिटेलर्स का एक खुद का एक एसोसिएशन होने दो. Instead of that, like we end up fighting among ourselves. And मतलब हमारा काट के लोग चले जा रहे हैं. It's bad, guys. Like I don't know. Like I'm not getting words to explain all these things. We are one of the biggest derivative exchanges in the world, and if we have these kinds of things, Bank Nifty spot पे 40 point का gap, it's ridiculous. So forget about it. Let's not get into a rant. As I said, I didn't take any trade. ये 25,000 मत देखो. This includes the covered call position, and I didn't take any trade. My last order was punched somewhere around 947. जैसे मैंने बताया था 947 के आसपास ही मतलब लास्ट ऑर्डर पंच था. And whatever these orders were there, 1 o'clock के ऊपर जो ऑर्डर है, that was to repair the covered call strategy. That's it. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ना, they're all 25 सब बैंक निफ्टी का है to repair this covered call strategy. Alright, and 35,000 put option जो मैंने सुबह शॉर्ट किया था उसका एक बार स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया था and I had to re-enter the position. वहां पे 2,000 rupees लॉस हो रहा है, but to manage that I had shorted a 35,500 call which I booked 2,000 rupees profit, and now I have shorted a 35,400 call. If you guys are facing difficulty in understanding what this covered call is, you can go to my previous videos where I have explained this covered call concept and its adjustments thoroughly. So even I don't remember which video is that, but you guys have to search it. कोई एक वीडियो में मतलब पूरा मैंने explain किया है how I'm managing this covered call बोल के. And in the Bank Nifty account it's 3.7k, so 20.5k for the day. And yeah, just not at all happy with the current the current scenes that's going on. इतना मार्केट इतना तेजी से नीचे आ जाता है, that too with 40-50 point gap. It's clearly because of lack of liquidity. And why is there lack of liquidity? That's because of these stupid margin rules. And I'm not sure like how the market's gonna behave post September. So we have to be ready for everything. And yeah, fortunately I exited pretty soon. I finished my trade in the morning itself owing to the fact that Mondays could be pretty rough, and Mondays usually थीटा डीके ना ज़्यादा होता नहीं है. That's why मैं इधर ही 10 o'clock के पहले ही मैंने exit कर लिया था. And anyone who traded and who stayed till the end, I hope that you guys didn't take a big hit, because यहाँ तक तो काफी silent market था, sideways था, and we got like very good थीटा डीके. And after that within 1 minute यूजुअली ये स्लिपेज के कारण आपका शायद अगर लॉस हुआ रहेगा, इफ यू गाइस फेस द लॉस बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कैंडल, यहाँ पे इसका गैप की वजह से अगर आपका लॉस हुआ रहेगा, इफ योर स्टॉप लॉस ऑर्डर डिडंट गेट ट्रिगर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस जंप, let me know in the comment section along with what option you were holding or what strategy you were holding, and we'll make a separate video and we'll try to flag these issues. Yeah, after all this rant, I hope you guys didn't take a big hit today. If at all you have taken a loss, I hope that it was a small loss. Okay, I'll see you guys again tomorrow.